Pozdrav ljudi, Fraps Team, opet idemo misija 2 Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3.
Roger 01, we have you 5x5, phase line echo secure. We have execute authority. We're 1 minute out.
Kapitan.
Copy that. Just don't start the party without us. Almost through.
Okej, ovdje se nešto čudno dešava.
Primary entry point is open. Stay tight. Easy to get separated down here.
So, neki serijano. Okej, idemo.
Damn. Think anyone got out? Nothing we can do for them now. Maintain 295 degrees, 300 meters to link up. Metal 01, got you on the tracker. Roger, approaching rendezvous. SEAL team should be up ahead. I see them. Subs on the move. Intercept window is closing fast. Roger that. Lead the way. Watch your sonar. Russians are laying lines. Eyes on your line. Keep it steady. Right. Got another mine. Clear. Power down, here we go.
Okay, steep is one.
Target approaching. Oscar 2, 8 o'clock. Steady.
Možda trebamo da
Wait till she passes.
prođe ovaj neki brod ili...
Okay, go. Get in position. Planting. Frost, plant the mine on the sub. Mine's armed. Clear out. Good job. We'll prep the exfil. Going explosive. Hit it. Overlord, this is Metal 01. Sub is surfacing. Commencing assault.
Roger 01. Continue to primary objective. We need control of the sub's missiles.
Koji haos.
Position.
Hatch opening! Contact coming out of the hatch! Frag out! Clear, head down. Deck secured. We'll hold topside. Deck secured, head down. Sweeping clear. All unknowns are hostile. Rendezvous downstairs. Downstairs. Take left.
Приготовиться к эвакуации.
They scuttled the sub. We gotta move now. Frost, take point.
Oke, jedan manje. Hajde idemo sad polako i... Okej. Malo da se stabilizujemo.
We have to get to the bridge.
Okej, dobro ide. Okej, to je to za ovu epizodu. Hvala što ste gledali, doviđenja. Znači možda bude 2 dijela, ja mislim da će biti 2 ili 3, ipak 3. Hvala što ste gledali, doviđenja.